Hi everyone, I'm Emil and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's another sneaker unboxing day, but before that, I'd like to remind that I'm still doing a giveaway. Please click that subscribe button below so that I can give this Adidas camo waist bag to one lucky subscriber once I reach 500 subscribers. Also, please stay tuned this August, my birth month, because I'll be doing a bunch of giveaways. Because sharing is caring, right? Also, I will start my vlog on where you can get super duper cheap sneakers online that are legit and brand new. So watch out for that. What are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button now. Thank you. So let's move on to the sneaker unboxing. By the way, this sneaker is not yet released here in the Philippines, and I think there's no announcement yet if it's going to be released here locally. So this shoe is part of the Greyscale pack that was released 4 days ago internationally. I'm talking about the Adidas Pharrell Williams SolarHu PRD Glide in this triple black colorway. So I chose this colorway because, of course, it's a low maintenance shoe, especially now that the rainy season has started here in the Philippines. By the way, the other 3 colorways are gray, off-white, and the triple white or the core white. So let's get into it. So surprisingly, the box is just the Adidas Performance black box with the huge Boost logo on it. Inside the box, you have the regular shoe wrapper, this one, and of course the shoe itself. So let's take this out. Here it is. So let's go straight into the details of the shoe. So the upper is composed of mesh here in the toe area, and I think prime knit here in the lateral part. It features a felt U patch at the side. Also, it has an embroidered U text on the forefoot. We have black rope laces and Adidas Performance logo at the tongue area. The shoe also contains a reflective trim that will keep you visible at night when you decided to go for a quick jog, right? The insole is also in black with the Boost logo on it. Now for the outsole, we have the stretch web continental rubber soles that can provide reliable grip on both wet and dry surfaces. And of course, let's not forget the comfiest midsole of them all, the Boost, which is painted in black. Lastly, it has an extra pair of white rope laces. Now regarding the sizing of this, it fits true to size. So just take your Adidas normal size if you're going to cop or order this online. So for me, I'm a 9.5 US, so I just took the same size. Now how about the price? In the US, it costs $160. I don't know if it includes already the taxes, but I got this one at a cheaper price, which around $145 to $150. Yep, that's what I'm saying earlier. I'll show you soon where you can get below retail price sneakers that are legit, original, and brand new. So stay tuned for that. I think that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you really did, please smash that like button or the thumbs up button. Also, feel free to comment your thoughts about this shoe. And I think there's another upcoming colorway that will be released at the end of August. It's the triple red colorway. Let me know if you're excited about that. Put that in the comment box below and let's discuss about it. Again, thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Peace out.